Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can put your Discord servers in a folder so that it'll be more organized. So I'm just going to put the ones in the folder that I don't really use and put the servers that I use on top, because there's a lot of servers that I'm in but I don't really go there. So I'm just going to put this one up here, this one up here, and also this one up here. And to put the others in the folder, you're just going to, for instance, select this one and put it in the, there's a green dot here. I'm just going to select it and put it in there. And you can do it for a lot of the servers, as you can see. Just put it in there so that it will be organized like so. You can put a lot in there. Wow, there's a lot of Discords that I don't really join anymore. Just put in there. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!